If you're living with diabetes or prediabetes, you already know that food choices can swing your numbers sometimes more than medication tweaks. What most people don't realize is which vegetables do the most work for you. The ones that help flatten the post-meal rise, calm inflammation, support your heart and kidneys, and keep you full without the crash. Today, we'll dial in the 6 best vegetables to lower blood sugar and build a plate that your meter and taste buds love. I'll show you the why, the portions, the smartest cooking methods, and simple meal ideas you can repeat all week. I'll also cover a short, no-guilt list of veggies to portion mindfully so your glucose stays steady. Quick reminder, this video is educational, not personal medical advice. If you have chronic kidney disease, thyroid concerns, or a specialized diet, personalize portions and choices with your care team. Why spikes matter and how vegetables help blood sugar spikes and dives are not just frustrating, they're exhausting for your nerves, eyes, heart, and kidneys. The goal is not perfection, it's smoother curves. Non-starchy vegetables help by slowing digestion, fiber delays glucose entry, supporting insulin, signaling minerals like magnesium and potassium. Matter taming inflammation and oxidative stress. Antioxidants defend vessel and nerve health, adding volume with few carbs. You feel satisfied on fewer glucose-raising foods. Think of vegetables as your daily glucose. Shock absorbers, especially the 6 we're about to cover: leafy greens, spinach, kale. Swiss chard leafy greens are where taste, versatility, and blood sugar stability all shake hands. They're extremely low in digestible carbs, high in fiber, and packed with magnesium, insulin's best friend, potassium, blood pressure support, and antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene that protect your eyes and blood vessels. How they help? They act like a metabolic brake. Petal fiber slows the meal. Magnesium helps your cells hear insulin better. And the antioxidants calm the background inflammation that chips away at long-term health. Portion and plate ideas. Aim for 1 to 2 cups per meal, raw or cooked. Saute spinach with garlic and a whisper of olive oil. Finish with lemon. Fold kale into omelets, soups, or bean bowls. Blend a handful of baby spinach into a smoothie with Greek yogurt, berries, and water for a fast. Steady breakfast. Keep it smart. Avoid drowning greens in heavy, sugary dressings. Use citrus, herbs, vinegar, mustard, and olive oil. If you have advanced kidney disease, you may need to moderate high potassium greens. Work with your dietitian to zucchini and cucumbers. Hydrating, ultra-low in carbs, and endlessly useful. Zucchini brings vitamin C and polyphenols that help insulin sensitivity. Cucumbers bring crunch, hydration, and gentle vitamin K, great for volume without a spike. How they help? Water plus fiber equals slower absorption, fewer cravings. They also help you feel full, so you naturally use smaller portions of starches. Portion and plate ideas: 1 to 2 cups per meal works well. Spiralize zucchini into zoodles and toss with pesto, cherry tomatoes, and a spoon of chickpeas. Slice cucumbers into a lemoned salad with Greek yogurt and dill. Add either 2 wraps, bowls, or eggs for a blood sugar-friendly upgrade. Keep it smart. Skip sugary dressings or heavy breading. Quick saute, roast, grill, or enjoy raw. Watching potassium closely for kidney reasons, zucchini is moderate portion accordingly. Cucumbers are generally gentler. 3 bell peppers, red, yellow, orange, green bell peppers are antioxidant powerhouses, especially reds with sky-high vitamin C and carotenoids that support vessel health and may improve insulin sensitivity. They're low in digestible carbs but big on flavor and crunch. How they help? Vitamin C helps tame oxidative stress, great for nerves and blood vessels, while fiber slows the meal's overall impact. Portion and plate ideas: about 1 cup per meal. Quick roast strips with onions and lean protein for fajita bowls over shredded lettuce and a spoon of quinoa. Stuffed peppers with a mix of lentils, quinoa, and chopped spinach. Snack on raw slices with hummus or guacamole. Keep it smart. Avoid overcooking, you'll lose vitamin C. Aim for quick saute, roast, or raw. Watch sugary sauces. Go heavy on herbs, smoked paprika, cumin, and fresh lime for broccoli and its cruciferous cousins. Broccoli carries fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and the superstar compound sulforaphane. It supports vessel function, calms inflammation, and helps the body manage oxidative stress. Great news for long-term heart, nerve, and kidney protection. How it helps: fiber blunts spikes. Sulforaphane supports healthy cell signaling. Minerals and antioxidants support your background systems that keep numbers steadier over time. Portion and plate ideas. 1 cup per meal is a sweet spot. Roast florets with olive oil, garlic, and lemon zest. Stir-fry with ginger and sesame and serve over cauliflower rice or a half-and-half mix of quinoa plus cali rice. Blend cooked broccoli into a creamy soup using Greek yogurt for protein. Keep it smart. Steam, roast, or stir-fry to preserve nutrients. Avoid long boiling. If you have thyroid concerns, enjoy crucifers cooked and in typical portions. 5 green beans. Green beans are quietly powerful, low in carbs, satisfying in volume, and rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and polyphenols that support insulin sensitivity and vessel health. To how they help. They slow the meal, help tame LDL cholesterol, and add fullness so you naturally eat fewer high GI sides. Portion and plate ideas. 1 cup cooked is a great anchor. Steam and toss with olive oil, lemon, and toasted almonds. Roast with garlic and chili flakes. Or make a skillet with onion, mushrooms, and turkey or tofu. They play perfectly with eggs, fish, or bean bowls. Keep it smart. Don't overcook too much. You lose the crunch and some nutrition. Season boldly with herbs and acids instead of heavy creams or sugary sauces. 6. Cauliflower is the shapeshifter. Rice it, mash it, roast it, or turn it into a creamy base for sauces. It delivers fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and cruciferous compounds similar to broccoli. Great for insulin sensitivity and heart protection. How it helps: fiber slows glucose entry. Antioxidants protect the tissues diabetes stresses most. As a swap for potatoes or white rice, it dramatically reduces a meal's glycemic impact. Portion and plate ideas. 1 cup per meal. Roast florets with turmeric and black pepper. Mash with a little Greek yogurt and roasted garlic. Or do a 50-50 mix of cauliflower rice with quinoa to keep satisfaction high while keeping spikes low. Keep it smart. Avoid heavy breading or deep frying. Roast, steam, or saute. If you manage thyroid or kidney concerns, stick to normal portions and cook it, then personalize with your clinician. How to build a diabetic plate using these 6. Keep this simple frame in your head and your meals will do most of the work for you. Half the plate. Non-starchy vegetables. Pick 2 to 3 from today's list. A palm of protein, fish, poultry, eggs, tofu, tempeh, or legumes. A cupped hand of smart carbs, quinoa, beans, lentils. Or a half-and-half mix with cauliflower rice. A thumb of healthy fat, olive oil, avocado, nuts, or seeds. This structure works at breakfast: veggie omelet plus side of berries. Smoothie with spinach plus chia. Lunch big salad with peppers. Cucumbers, beans, olive oil, lemon. And dinner roasted broccoli, cauliflower plus protein plus small scoop of quinoa. Closing parenthesis. Timing. Portions. And cooking that flatten the curve. Feature vegetables first or alongside protein and fat. Leave any starchier foods for later in the meal. After your largest meal, take a 10 to 15-minute walk. It's one of the most powerful, underused tools to reduce post-meal glucose. Cook with heat plus time discipline. Quick saute, steam roast to crisp tender. Long boiling and heavy breading undo the benefits you came for. 7-Day Veg Power. Jumpstart day 1 to 2. Add leafy greens to 2 meals per day omelet. Plus dinner side. Day 3. Build a zucchini or cucumber. Salad with protein at lunch day. 4. Make a roasted broccoli sheet pan with chicken or tofu. Serve over half cauliflower rice. Half quinoa. Day 5. Cook a green bean skillet with onions, mushrooms, and turkey or tempeh. Day 6. Create a cauliflower mash bowl with sautéed greens and salmon or lentils. Day 7. Review your meter CGM notes. Keep the 2 meals that gave you the best post-meal line and repeat them next week. The goal isn't a perfect. Week hits a repeatable rhythm that steadies your numbers. Vegetables to portion. Mindfully, not forbidden. No food needs to be forbidden. But some starchy vegetables raise glucose faster and deserve smaller portions and smart pairings, especially if your meter shows big bumps. White potatoes, sweet corn, pumpkin, squash, peas, and beet-heavy dishes can climb quickly when eaten alone or in large servings. If you love them, keep portions modest. Think 1/2 cup. Pair with protein, healthy fat, and a big serving of today's 6. Save them for days you can walk after the meal this way. You get the flavor you love without the numbers you T. Closing when your plate leans heavy on leafy greens, zucchini, cucumber, bell peppers, broccoli, green beans, and cauliflower. You're not just eating healthy, you're engineering steadier glucose, calmer inflammation, and long-term protection for your eyes, nerves, heart, and kidneys. Start with 1 swap today, repeat it tomorrow, and give yourself a week. Your energy, cravings, and readings will tell you it's working. Tell me in the comments, which veggie are you adding first and how are you cooking it? I'm cheering for you.